Hello everyone, Digfig here, and welcome! Today we're doing another unboxing video. That's right, I got like 3 things fairly close together, so we're doing that. This one, it's actually a MyBook Duo backup hard drive that I'm going to buy to back up some of my videos, because they're all right now just on a single internal, and you know, those things can fail and lead to major problems. So let's swap over our cameras here. There we go. You can see MyBook Duo. Hopefully my mic's not too big in the way here. It's kind of still not perfectly set up for this whole thing. We'll move it a little around all over the place. But yeah, so MyBook Duo, it is a Western Digital. It should have 2 3TB hard drives in there. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to set them up as a RAID 0 or a RAID 1. Depends how safe I feel like being and having backups of your backups, which is kind of important in this industry, because losing all of your work would absolutely suck ass of like 5 years of videos and all that kind of stuff here. But the box is nothing that special, just a normal hard drive box. I'm gonna try not to show the bottom because it has all the security codes and not security codes, well, serial numbers and all that fancy information on it. But yeah, it's got a 3-year warranty supposedly. So let's see how this goes. Let's try and cut into the top of this right here. Take off this first layer of plastic wrap. Hopefully I don't damage anything in the process. Best sound in the world, right, is the unwrapping of a box. Actually, my favorite part is peeling off those little protective plastic thingies that go on plastic. I should have peeled off the one on the graphics card in my last video because that was amazing. I don't know why those are so satisfying. But yeah, so we can see here, it's just a normal looking kind of box. Not 100% sure which way it wants to be opened. It seems to want to be opened. It's a weirdly folded box, but I definitely think it wants to be opened from this back corner here. Is it taped down at all? No, it's just being a little stubborn here. Hold on guys, we can get into this. It's double sides, yeah, that's what it wants here. Coming around here, right on top, it looks like we have a hello from Western Digital. A little thing here. It says, need help, support wd.com, contact. It's just like a little welcome card. Not sure if you guys can see right here. It says hello, period. I like reading punctuation because it drives people absolutely nuts, and that's just kind of what I like to do apparently. We'll put that aside. So we got a side box here. This is probably all the cords and little gadgets, probably a power cord. Let's figure this out. Move the big box over to the side here a little bit. Don't need a knife to stab me while we go through things. Looking like a C2C. This would probably be for transferring files. Then we have a USB to C, so these both might be for transferring files. Usually one's for power, but it looks like there's an actual proper power strip in here. What is this? Instruction manual, important safety instructions. Got a little thing where safety instructions don't, like, what, cut this in half and stick it into a wall and jam it into your eye socket. Go figure, right? You shouldn't do that. I don't think that's what it actually says, but that's kind of what they're getting at here. There's one more thing in here. There's this little baggie here with a key to opening it. Kind of what it looks like, so you can actually remove the drives. It's kind of cool. Guess I never really thought of that. Couldn't they just show you using a screwdriver to do it? Because this is literally just like a little wedge thing here. Dink dink. It does show how to do it here on the instructions. Step 1, stick this thing in the top. Step 2, pull down, they pop out. Step 3, well, that was all step 1. Step 2 is to pull hard drive out. Step 3 is how to unmount the hard drives. So technically I could just pull both these things out and throw them in the internal bays of my computer if I really wanted to. Good to know. We have ourselves a giant booklet here. This is one of these like 37 language unfoldable pamphlets here, it's looking like. What bam! What English language, what non-English language do you speak? Because this thing pretty much has you covered. Double-sided. Damn. See if we can fold these back up. That's always the challenging part about these. If I sound a little funny, it's because I'm still sick, but I'm still trying to make content for you guys. Yeah, I'm really bad at folding these up, but I think we're getting it. We're almost there. One little crease there. Which way were you folded? Oh no, it's all falling apart. Bam! right back down to its original size. Slide this back in the baggie, maybe. That's apparently being the hardest part of this unboxing so far. Put this back in the little baggie because I don't think I need that. I understand how to take the hard drives out now, and I'll probably, oddly enough, never forget how to do that. These two cords over to the side. That was 100% all that was in that little box, was those like 6 things. I think that's 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 things. Now let's bring our main box back over here. Looks like it's dual foam inserts to help protect it. Looks like it just wants to fall out of the foam inserts. So we're gonna pull it out of here. Ooh, this thing's got some heft to it. That is for damn sure. The packaging to protect it in the box was just these 2 things. The Amazon box came with it's normal, like little puffy bags in it, nothing too special in there. We'll close this up here. You guys can notice, you can actually see my green screen behind me even in the intro, because this box is green. So it was getting picked up by the green screen chroma key. I couldn't really let that be happening, right? So that's upside down. Probably shouldn't do that. There we go, right side up. It's a sealed baggie. No, it is not a sealed baggie. The bottom is open, which is convenient and nice of them. Oh, I see giant plastic peely-offy things. It's a cool, neat, compact little package. This plastic feels like it might be the cheapest plastic in the entire universe down at the bottom half. Top half feels okay, but this bottom plastic panel's, I mean, cheap as shit. Yeah, whatever. What can you do? That's just the modern world, right? Everything's cheap as shit. Looks like there's an aluminum shell inside, so literally it's just like an outer casing of the cheapest plastic you could possibly imagine. But we're gonna peel off some of these things here. Yep, that's the sound we're making on a recording for everyone to hear. That one was not the most rewarding. It was all loose and not put on exactly proper. This top one looks a little bit better here. Let's see if we can ASMR this, given I'm not moving the mic close enough, and I have no fingernails. Damn it. So we're gonna get the edge with this knife here. Cringe for everybody. There we go. That was a good one. Happy for that one. Now I just have the shiny black box. On the back here, there's a fan here for cooling, which is kind of cool. I know you guys probably cannot see in there. No, not a chance in hell. I do not have a backlit. I've got 2 big lights overhead of me for actually like recording Let's Plays and stuff. Not exactly the most proper, and I have now touched the shiny black stuff with my greasy ass fingers. So alas, there are fingerprints on it. But on the back there are 2 USB ports, a C port and a power port. That is all that is back there. The fan's back there. On the front, don't know if you guys will see this, but right here there's the Western Digital signal. And right on top there is this little panel that it says I can get into. Should I be doing this? No. Am I going to do it? Yes. It says from the back, put this in here and you lift up. Fancy! Number 1. I don't know what that's telling me to do. Oh. So on the back here, you guys are not going to be able to see this, I bet. But above these 2 USB ports right here, there's apparently a power button. And it's telling me to make sure I turn this off before you open it up and take things out. So presumably we push down on this and then these things pull out. How to break your own backup drives before you even do anything with them whatsoever. You know, supposedly for this being how you take them out. They're not coming out very well. There we go. This is one of the 2 Western Digital drives. Probably shouldn't show all that information on the camera. Probably can't hurt too bad. But either way, cool little hard drive. There's 2 of them in here. Slide this back in here nice and gently. Never force electronics or you will regret it. How did this go on here? This was the front. Push it back on. Yeah, it's a nice little box here. Definitely classy, like, just looks professional and cool on your desk. Hold on a sec, guys. My nose is getting to me again. I hate doing these videos when I'm sick, but what can you guys do? Either way, let's wrap this all up right here real quick. This is a 6 terabyte Western Digital kind of like backup drive. It's got 2 hard drives in there that you can set up in a RAID 1 or a RAID 2. So you can either have 6 total space or 2 3s that can back each other up so you have backups of your backups, which is a really smart thing to do, so you just know you're covered, because when hard drives fail, it can really suck. I've had it happen before. It's part of the reason for buying this, because the hard drives in my computer are getting a few years old. The thing looks very nice. It's clean. It'll look good just sitting on your desk. I don't know if it has any LEDs yet. I guess I can add that to the comments. It's got the cooling fan on the back. Overall, a small, compact little package that I think you can get up to dual 10 terabyte ones in here, which is just an insane amount of space. So overall, guys, so far I do like it. Bottom's a little bit cheap, but we'll have to see how it does in a few years, if it fails on me or not, or if it actually does its job and backs up all my stuff that'll let me down. I really do appreciate you all stopping by and checking out these videos. Again, please give me some criticism in the comments, because I would love to know what you all think of these unboxing videos, because I'm still trying to learn it all. Obviously, I could probably get a little bit better setup with some different angles and some B-roll footage, but I have very limited resources with my camera setups and stuff, because I mostly do Let's Plays and overview videos. But anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Digfig, I did not change my camera to this one. See you guys in the next video. Digfig out.